How to fix Hinge stuck verification selfie refusal. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can solve if our verification selfie has been stuck and it's refusing to take our selfie. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your Hinge selfie verification is stuck or repeatedly falling or failing, the issue often stems from improper selfie capture or account inconsistencies. So you have to start by ensuring that your Hinge profile itself has got plenty of photos, like verifiable photos. So make sure that they are closer to the type of person you look currently, because if you're wearing goggles on all of your pictures or not showing your face, Hinge cannot verify with your selfie that you are exactly that person on the image. So you have to make sure to include a recent image with a proper selfie. After you've done that, make sure to try to do the verification process again. So you can see all of these options and you'll be able to go ahead and then start your verification. Start by ensuring that your face is clearly visible in the selfie with good lighting, and you carefully replicate the hand gesture shown in the example photo provided by Hinge, and you don't use photos that misrepresent your current appearance. And hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.